hands? What is that?
A smoothie.
What does it have in it?
Some smoothie in it.
There's some smoothie in your smoothie?
Yeah. Can you see it? Mama?
What do you have on your face?
Glasses.
Do they help you see or what?
No, they're not helping me see.
Oh,
Oh, they're off.
they're off. Oh, there's Luca back there. Hi, Luca.
She got my hand.
What do you got on there?
Dum, 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 dum.
Luca, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Bye. Husband.
You have something on your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.